Most of the multiple choice problems in physics meant for NEET and JEE mains, they are all oral problems. By looking at the problem, you can directly get the answer. The only thing is, it requires a little practice. You simply watch how I am solving the problems. Now let us consider one very simple problem. Suppose we have got two bodies of masses 3 kg and 4 kg. When they are separated by a certain distance, the force between them is 12 units. Some unit. What will be the new force if 1 kg is added to each body? After adding 1 kg to each body, this will become 4 kg, this will become 5 kg. This is 3 4s are 12. So 4 5s are, it must be 20 units. This force F1 will be equal to 20 units. If you have not followed this, you can use this formula. F2 by F1 is equal to M3 M4 by M1 M2. Otherwise you can do directly. You may ask me one doubt here. Suppose 3 4s are 12. Here 12 is not given. Suppose it is given 24. So it is double of this product. So this answer also should be double of this product. It must be 40 units. Suppose it is not given like this. It is given as only 6 units. Half of this product. So here also the answer will be half of this product, 10 units. So like this you can directly get the answer. Suppose it is given like this. What will happen if 1 kg is transferred from this to this? So this will become 4 kg and this will become 3 kg. Now also the product is same. The answer will be same as before. What now it may be asked, what will be the new answer if 1 kg is removed from each body? So this will become 2 kg, this will become 3 kg, 2 3s are 6. Here for 12 we have written 6 units. So here for 6, what will be the answer? 3 units. Whenever you get any doubt, use the formula F2 by F1 is equal to initial masses and here final masses. This is the formula. Or otherwise you can solve directly. Now I'll repeat this once again. Suppose we have got two bodies of masses 3 kg and 4 kg. They attract each other with a force 12 units. Suppose 1 kg is added to both. 1 kg is added to each of them. So this will become 4, this will become 5, 4 5s are, the answer is 20 units. Next, suppose 1 kg is transferred from the second body to the first. From second to first. So this will become 3 kg, this will become 4 kg. 4 3s are 12. So the new force F2, this is same as 12 units. Suppose 1 kg is transferred from first body to the second body. From first to the second body. Then this will become 2, this will become 5. F3 is equal to 2 5s are 10 units. Now let us consider another kind of problem. Here we are dealing with only distance. Now read this problem on increasing the distance between two bodies by 1 meter. We know that whenever distance is increased, force decreases. Whenever distance is decreased, force increases. Now we will consider two problems where distance is increased and there is decrease in force. After that we will consider two more problems where distance is decreased and force is increased. Then in that case, the formula is, when we talk about only distances, the formula is F2 by F1 is equal to d1 by d2 whole square. If you are asked to find forces, F2 by F1 is equal to d1 by d2 whole square. If you are asked to find the distance, then d1 by d2 is equal to under root F2 by F1. Now I read this problem. On increasing the distance between two bodies by 1 meter, the force between them, part A decreases by 36%, part B decreases to 36% of the initial value. Find the initial and final distances in each case. Now let us consider part A first. Whenever you get any problem involving percentage change, initial value you can take 100 without any worry. So here part A we are doing F1 is equal to 100, F2 is how much? In part A it is decreasing by 36%, 100 minus 36, that's equal to 64. Suppose initial distance is x, final distance is x plus 1. d1 is equal to x, d2 is equal to x plus 1. You are asked to find the distances. We know that d1 by d2 is equal to under root f2 by f1. X by x plus 1 is equal to under root 64 by 100, that's equal to 8 by 10, that's equal to 4 by 5. X by x plus 1 is equal to 4 by 5. You can easily say that x is 4 and x plus 1 is 4 plus 1, 5. So d1 is equal to 4, d2 is equal to 5. Now let us consider part B. Here the force is decreasing to 36%. So F2 is directly becoming 36. So d1 by d1 is x, d2 is x plus 1. d1 by d2 is equal to under root f2 by f1. So x by x plus 1 is equal to under root 36 by 100. That's equal to 6 by 10. That's equal to 3 by 5. X by x plus 1 is equal to 3 by 5. That will give you x is equal to 1.5. So d1 is equal to 1.5 and d2 is equal to 1.5 plus 1, 2.5. Like this we can solve the answer. Next we will consider the increase in force by decreasing the distance.